Did you know that the brain and the universe share a very, very similar structure? I was reading a piece in last week's New Scientist. I subscribed to the magazine, and it was all about this similarity in structure between the brain and the universe, and it centred around a conversation between two friends, one who is an astrophysicist and one who is a neurosurgeon. And they realised that which both of them spend their life studying shares such an astonishing similarity. Obviously differs in size, in fact by 27 orders of magnitude, but it looks the same. And it's something known as fractal. You know, like fractal means self-similar, and you often see these repeating patterns in nature. Even think of it, how a blood vessel branches out into little capillaries that looks almost identical to a river delta, as a river branches out into to meet in the ocean, which looks very similar to the branches of a tree right at the very top of the tree, which looks very similar to the dendrites that come out of a neuron in the brain. And that's where the similarity lies, because you have in the brain, you have neurons, and then you have these wee tree-like branches, things, dendrites and axons. But in the universe, you have something that looks very, very similar. Instead of neurons, what you have is clusters of galaxies and stars. And instead of dendrites and axons, what you have is what are called cosmic filaments, and they're all held together by gravity. But if you look at both of them, they look absolutely astonishingly similar. And it's led many philosophers and scientists alike to ask the question, could the universe in some way be conscious? And there's actually a branch of philosophy known as psychism. It's a branch of what's another philosophy known as panpsychism, and it addresses this exact question. I mean, so could it be that the universe is conscious? No one really knows for absolutely sure. I mean, what do you think yourself? You might have an opinion.